get this question all the time. How can you write a 300-line estimate when it's just a couple of panels? The answer lies in the research, interpretation, and application of the repair information. In a way, an estimate is like a book report. Each part is a chapter, and within each chapter is a story. It's my job to tell that story with the estimating lines I write. So in other words, I can write a comic book or War and Peace. No matter where you fall on the spectrum, one of the most critical steps to improving is learning how to read and interpret OE repair procedures. As I access the information for replacing this radiator support in ALLDATA, I can begin to formulate my process, which will transfer into estimating lines. The installation notes reminds me of the lines for trial fit of parts and the additional three-dimensional measurements and checks that I'll need to get added to the estimate. Following the hyperlinks provides more insights on the welding precautions and requirements for removal of adjacent components, repairs for the weld zone damage, and to adjacent panels, as well as the OE's required corrosion protection process, which is important for me to know for material line charges. Remember, our job as an estimator is not to read procedures for performing the process as the technician will do. Our job is to understand the equipment, labor, and materials required for that process. In so doing, we lay out an excellent written repair plan or novel that tells the story for our customer, the insurer, and our technicians.